Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the YNAB app. First, understand that YNAB operates on 4 fundamental rules designed to transform your financial habits. The initial rule is to give every single dollar a job, ensuring each penny has a purpose before it leaves your account. Next, embrace your true expenses by setting aside funds for larger, less frequent bills. Finally, remember to roll with the punches, adjusting your budget flexibly as life unfolds. Let's dive into rule number 1, give every dollar a job. Begin by linking your bank accounts to the YNAB app, allowing you to see all your available funds in one place. Then, meticulously categorize every dollar into specific budget categories, from groceries to rent. This allocation ensures that every single dollar has a purpose, whether for immediate spending or for future financial goals. Your to-be budgeted amount should always be 0, signifying that every dollar is assigned. Now, let's explore rules 2 and 3. Embrace your true expenses and roll with the punches. Rule 2 encourages you to save for those larger, less frequent expenses, such as annual insurance premiums or car maintenance, by breaking them into smaller, manageable monthly savings goals. Rule 3 emphasizes flexibility. When unexpected costs arise, simply move money between categories without guilt. This adaptability is key to maintaining a sustainable budget. Finally, we arrive at rule number 4, age your money. The goal here is to reach a point where the money you are spending today is at least 30 days old. This creates a significant financial buffer, dramatically reducing stress and allowing you to cover future expenses with ease. By consistently building up your savings and living on last month's income, you achieve true financial freedom and control over your money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.